They need to go back to the past one last time and think of a better way to defeat Thanos.
You hypnotized off the hatred. Deep down, you don't wanna see us make it. Deep down, you'd rather see us in the basement.
Hey, it's so biased, and I'm out here. So I watched the latest Avengers flick, Endgame, and man, that movie was amazing. Let's just talk about the plot real quick. It starts off with Tony Stark floating in space. He's running out of oxygen. He's saved by Captain Marvel, brought back to Earth. They link up with the rest of the surviving members of the Avengers. They track down Thanos, who's on a planet by himself. He's actually used the Infinity Stones to destroy the Infinity Stones. So in his weakened state, he's killed by Thor. And they're just cheesed, you know what I'm saying? They'd have to figure out another way to bring back their loved ones. So essentially, with Ant-Man's help, they create a time machine, go back to the past, get the Infinity Stones of the past, and bring them back to the present. But while they're in the past, the Thanos from the past finds out what the Avengers are up to. He finds out that he actually in the future collects the Infinity Stones and wipes out 15% of the population, but in the end he still meets his demise. So he comes up with a new plan to wipe out even more of the universe's population. So he goes to the future and pursues the Infinity Gauntlet, which already has all the stones. In the present, Hulk uses the Infinity Gauntlet by snapping his fingers and bringing back everybody that Thanos killed. Then there's a huge battle between Thanos and his forces trying to get the gauntlet, and the Avengers, who have been brought back to life, protecting the gauntlet. He was losing the battle for a bit, but then he used his spaceship to fire down right on the battlefield where he was fighting to just get the upper hand for a bit, where he was able to get the gauntlet. And he was about to snap his fingers, but Iron Man pops up, takes the stones out of the gauntlet, snaps his fingers, and wipes out all of Thanos' forces and Thanos. In this, the kickback kills Iron Man. And then when they were returning the stones back to the past, Captain America actually stays in the past and grows up, and he's an old man. So now there's no more Captain America, no more Thanos, no more Iron Man, no more Black Widow, because she sacrificed herself to get one of the stones in the past. So there was a few endings for a couple of the Avengers, but it was a satisfying movie. Just the battle was amazing. Man, it was amazing. Over the top action, the CGI, it wasn't like too over the place. It was well like sequenced and choreographed, so it didn't feel like you had to pay attention to too many things at one time. It just felt like where your focus had to be, it was at that point in time. So I enjoyed the fight scenes. I enjoyed the story. It was well done. It made sense. I didn't like that Iron Man died, but damn. I'm gonna have to give Avengers Endgame 5 mics. Man, this movie deserves more than 5 mics, but I'm gonna give it 5 mics because it was amazing. The 5 didn't even fit in the screen because it was just too much. Just like this movie, man. 5 mics. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about Avengers Endgame. I went and did a little bit of research to see the future of the Avengers, and it seems that the directors have no plans for any future films, but Spider-Man Homecoming is coming up, so it'll be nice to see if we get another appearance from Iron Man in that film. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, especially if y'all are new to the channel. I got some new videos coming soon, and I will get up with y'all in the next video, alright? Holla at me.
You hypnotized off the hatred. Deep down, you don't wanna see us make it. Deep down, you'd rather see us in the basement.